Revive Kit. Easy install updates for your RV. Your Revive Kit will include one 24-inch roll of film, one 1.5-inch roll of film, spray bottle, trowel, and microfiber cloth. Additional tools needed for installation include a tape measure, utility knife, screwdriver, and a drill. Start by moving any furniture away from the install area. Using a screwdriver or drill, remove all wall hangings, wall treatments, and outlet covers. Spray your wall with water and wipe it down with your microfiber cloth to remove any dirt or grease. Measure the necessary length of film needed for your install area and cut the film with the utility knife. Before applying film, lightly mist the wall with water to allow for easy repositioning and film adjustments. With the 24-inch roll of film, peel back the release liner approximately 12 inches. Place the film in the top corner of your wall. Using your plastic trowel, press the film against the wall. Continue slowly peeling the release liner back, using the trowel to smooth the film against the wall. Continue working in small sections. If there is a window in your install area, use the utility knife to cut off excess film. Next, find the frame of your window and use it as a guide to trim the remaining film away. Working from the center, continue to smooth the film to the edges. Trim your film as necessary to fit your space. For small sections, pre-cut the film before application. Using the same technique, align your film to the top of the wall. Use your trowel to smooth the film. Cut the excess film away. For the second section, ensure you are aligning the film directly next to your original section. When navigating around outlets, keep the top of the film loose and adhere the bottom section of film to the wall. Trim excess film. After the bottom section is secured to the wall, carefully cut out around the outlet. After the film is trimmed around the outlet, smooth and secure the remaining section of the film to the wall. Trim the film around the window frame. Repeat each individual step on each section. Using your 1.5-inch roll of film, place the necessary length of film to cover the seams between each section. Trim away any excess material. Replace your wall treatments and furniture to enjoy your new upgraded space.